Welcome to OK Deal, your one-stop solution before making any purchase online. Our product aims to save you hours of research across various online platforms as we help to find you the best deal on the mobile phone you're looking for. Walking you through our menu-driven solution, say you wanted to look for any mobile based on its name, you simply search by product name by entering choice number 1. You'll then be prompted for your preferred currency, euros, INR, US dollars, etc. Choosing INR, you're then prompted for your product name. Say I enter Samsung Galaxy, and even if there is no exact match found, we will still look for the perfect recommendations for you and give you the 10 best options. If I was to choose Samsung Galaxy F62, option number 2, you will see that a complete output file has been generated, which has not only the different variants found across Amazon, Chroma, and Flipkart. We also show you the reviews for this product across all the platforms, along with an in-depth phone specification.
Here in OKD, we have scraped and collect thousands of mobile product information. A user can choose option 2 to see all the product analysis visualization across Amazon, Flipkart, and Chroma platforms. Here we provide 10 visual graphs. So the first one is a basic price distribution among different platforms. The second one I want to show you here is the discount percentage distribution. Okay. So here the user can see which platform provides the most percentage of discount. And the third one is discount price distribution. Here, the user can also see which platform provides the most amount of discount. And more, also we have like average rating distribution and also show all the distribution plots.
So for the show all distribution plots, if we run that, we basically see all of the plots that Stephen just explained, which is the base price, discount percentage, discount price distribution, and the average rating distribution. If we want to look at all the features in depth, we can do that with options 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's take a look at 6 first, which is our base price triple plot. So here we've used 3 plots to analyze the distribution of values of different features that we have scraped. And right now we're looking at base price Amazon. We've used histograms to gain an understanding of the specified range of values. Additionally, we've included KDE plot in this case as well to understand the probability distribution while we are seeing the histogram. Next, we have a box plot to look at the distribution of values again, as well as watch out for outliers. And our third plot is a violin plot, which compares the distribution across different categories. If we close this plot, we can see the base price for Chroma. And next, we see the base price for Flipkart. Next, if we choose option 9, which is our average rating triple plot, we can see that most users have been very gracious when it comes to rating products on Amazon. And we see that most of the values lie somewhere between 3.8 to 4.3. For Chroma, let's see what that looks like. Here again, we have values mostly ranging between 4 and 4.6 somewhere. And lastly, Flipkart, somewhere between 4.2 and 4.4. So these plots basically help us to gain insights of this kind. And if we press 10, which is the descriptive statistics for Amazon, Chroma, and Flipkart, we'll basically get an idea of like the maximum, minimum, average values, as well as the standard deviation. So those values can be found at the paths that are specified. And additionally, here we also have a correlation plot to see what is the correlation between the different features that we have scraped from. Like the values that are darker in color, more towards violet, are those features that are highly correlated. Yeah.
Next, OKDeal goes a step further. We analyze the information that is on Twitter and the sentiments of people who are speaking about mobile phones on Twitter. So option 3, we categorize this into 3 different parts: positive tweets, negative tweets, and then neutral tweets. These give the user an idea of the words and the phrases that people are mostly using on Twitter for mobile devices. So we'll check option 1 now, and it will give the density of words or the length of tweets that are being posted on Twitter concerning phones. Also, we are able to see the single words, that's the unigrams, that are mostly mentioned, the double words, and then the triple words on Twitter as well. So this gives the user an idea of the phrases that are mostly tweeted about when it comes to phones, in the positive sense. Also, the same thing applies in the negative sense. You'll get to know the phrases that are mostly used, and then the length of tweets that are related to phones. Same for neutral as well. So thank you very much.
Let us move on to another option in our menu, review analysis. It contains visualizations of analysis for Amazon reviews, Chroma reviews, and Flipkart reviews. If we select Amazon reviews, it would show us the word cloud of the reviews we scraped from Amazon mobile products. It would help the user gain an insight into the reviews people have posted on Amazon for mobiles. For example, here we can see that the given word in the given word cloud, people talk a lot about lagging camera quality and sound quality for Amazon. Similarly, the user can gain insights into the scraped reviews of Chroma and Flipkart by pressing the second and the third option in the menu bar.
Now we move on to option 4, which is basically scraping data. This option consists of scraping product details, product reviews, phone arena specifications, Twitter tweets, and the currency conversion rates. For demonstration purposes, I'll select option 5. As you can see, the currency conversion rates get scraped and stored in a CSV file. The other options like product details and product reviews are quite time consuming to scrape, so we have not included them in our current demo. If you wish to see the scrape data, you can navigate to datafocus python/final/data, and you'll find all the data that you need, and you can select the particular subfolder based on category of data that you want. Thank you for watching the demo.